Ngiyanibingelela nonke enibuka le video le. Le video it's about chemical equilibrium, question 6, yeah. Then le question 6 nguthathe la waseMpumalanga, then grade 12, then prelim paper la ngoSeptember, then it's paper 2 chemistry. Then iqala kanje, this sowenza lama question question 6 6.1 lana, and then 9 marks, then KC, then yeah, then bese siba no 6.2 4 marks, then 6.3 1 mark, then 6.3.2 1 mark, then sekuphelile question 15 marks kuphela. Then yeah, then cabanga ukuthi singaqala, then wonke umuntu obuka le video wamukelekile kule channel, yeah. Then masiqala ke, then equation kuthiwa ngile question le bathi 10 grams of hydrogen gas and 355 grams of chlorine gas are heated together in a sealed container. A container is sealed, which was a container in a lot, yeah. Then kanjalo, then iwubani container 500 cubic centimeters. Base a chemical equilibrium is reached at 450 degrees Celsius. Base the balanced equation for the reaction is like this: hydrogen gas reacts with chlorine gas to form hydrochloric acid, then gas nayo, then i-balanced equation yethu. Mhlawumbe bangaku-trigger kwezinye ikhathi bakunike ingekho balanced equation, then baku-require ukuthi ucalculate Kc, then sekumele uyi-checkele wena ukuthi i-balanced yini. If abashongo ukuthi i-balanced, then sozokwazi ukuthi ucalculate kahle zonke izinto zibe right. Base bethi the equilibrium constant which is Kc value at a temperature of 450 degrees Celsius is 64. It is the value of Kc le. Then analyze bathini la, bathi okay, lama question ngokujwayelekile mabewa introducer esikoleni, then hlezi unama moles la vamise kube nama moles, then bekunezi ama moles mhlawumbe kuzoba ama moles alo, then ama moles alo, then kube kanjena, then okunye ke usimila vele. Then ithini ke question la bathi calculate, bakutshelele le value of Kc, then siyazi vele formula for calculate Kc ukuthi Kc is equal to the concentration of the products divided by the concentration of the reactant at the equilibrium. Kodwa kunama condition ukuthi senza kanjani ke formula. Then sebethini la bathi calculate the mass of chlorine gas present at equilibrium. Uphi chlorine gas? This is chlorine gas, yabo. Bona bafuna i-mass present kuphi ku-equilibrium. Then ngoba since ku 9 marks, then iformula esenzivumela ukuthi ilo, then i-method esizwenza ngayo ile table method, ukuthi because siyazi khona i-equilibrium lapha included khona la lezi base. Siyenza kanjani? It's a Rice method table. Then iqale shuthi yonke i-letter yelo igama esuke likhona iqala ngaleyo lokhu njani. Then iba kanje, de R ngoba ngithi rice noma ungathi ice method, then kuzoba no R la, then R mele ratio, then kube no, then imele ratio ila R ngimrefer as first letter ku rice, then kube I la, then dana sikhuluma ngani masithi I, it is the initial mole, in mole, ama mole sisuke sinawo ekuqaleni, then kuba kanje, then sibe no C, uC omele uchange, then no change naye in moles, then sibe no E umele equilibrium, then umele equilibrium, then equilibrium wethu naye still usase in moles kanje, in moles. Then Rice method, then ekugcineni siba no concentration, concentration is in mole per cubic decimeter, dm minus 3 or minus 3 because yeah kuba i-division. Then uyenza kanjani le table le. Then okay, before wazi ukuthi mapha ama-elements azokwazi ukuthi angene noma compound azokwazi ukuthi angene kule table, then mawulisebenzisa yeah kuba kanje. This is the ratio. I-ratio yiphi? Ile ratio inamba esuke la, inamba esuke la, izila u1 1 u2 2 yeah, then uyazifaka ngoba kunama bars awu3 la, then sikunama yeah nama lokhu njani ama column awu3 1 2 3 isifola ama compound awu3 la izohamba la label yeah kuba kanjalo. Then change it's just the change in mole. Ama moles asuke used up, then while be react la, then lawa asuke used up ngabe kuyuzeke up yeah yilo u2 moles, then change izofaka the 2 moles kanjalo. Then equilibrium ama number of moles le esuke esenayo at equilibrium nalo esuke senayo equilibrium futhi masifake then h la at equilibrium maqonda nayo sofala, then la kuhlukana ngithi kanje kuyahlukana. Then mase sekuhlukene sizokwenza kanjani sekukanje. Then wenza njani before usubstitute ama ratio la nan angithi. Then vele thina sinikezweni 10 gram of hydrogen initial. Ingani sithi initial? Because basitshelile ukuthi at equilibrium okwenzekayo futhi after equilibrium le statement is equilibrium zonke lezi zinto zisho ukuthi sekuyi final lapho seyimile reaction seyi-reach equilibrium state kule temperature le. Then yeah kukanje. Then i-ratio, then before ufaka ama substance anjani la kulokhu njani ku-Kc because calculator concentration i-final aim yokwenza i-Kc sekuyi concentration ngoba yebo iyona igcinile la. Ufaka ama substance anjani angama gases nangama aqueous solutions kuphela ngoba yiwona anani esithi ane concentration. La amanye i-concentration yakhona siyenza ibo 1 imaphi lawo ama-substance. Ama-substance akwi-solid nama-substance akwi-liquid sithi i-concentration yakhona i-1 noma sivele singayifaki kuyilokhu njani kwi-table lethu leli because ayisisizi vele. Then yeah kuba kanjalo. Then lena i-hydrogen gas ngenhlanhla-ke wonke lama substance ayine gaseous form kusho ukuthi wonke azokwazi calculate concentration yawo. Then kunjalo-ke. Then noma sithi ama concentration e-gas solid and liquid they are constant yeah kusho kanjalo. Then kuba kanjalo. Then lawa angashintsha i-concentration yakhona, ye-gas ingashintsha ne-aqueous solution ingashintsha, and depending ukuthi mhlambe unamanzi then udissolve mhlambe ijuice ingakanani, then concentration iyashintsha ngayi-relate nangecolor yaleyo juice usuke usukhandekile so strong kanganani futhi i-concentration seyinkulu yeah kuba njalo. Amanzi wona ahlala eyamanzi ngakho sithi liquid ine-constant concentration ahlala eyamanzi. Ngeke ubone amanzi usithi lawa seyamanzi kakhulu manje sekanjani noma seyeblue kakhulu. Lokho kusho ukuthi sekukhona izinto ezifakiwe futhi accesswa amanzi originally yeah kuba kanjalo. Then i-solid yona-ke yona ikwazi ukuthi ibe ne-concentration like ngeke angithi i-solid ikanjalo. Then kuba kanjani kuyo? Kuba njengokuthi ilokhu njani ama number of moles angithi formula ithi C = N/V to calculate concentration. Ama number of moles mangabe i-solid mhlawumbe i-dissolve entweni ethile about half we volume yayo esuke i-occupy, then lokho kwenza ukuthi kube into e-constant all the times. Then silana-ke so ifaka le, then siqala ama-reactant ezikanje la i-ratio sothi u-hydrogen gas, then la u-chlorine gas. Then lo line-ke sengenzela ukurepresent ukuthi sengikwi-products manje. This is HCl. Then uyafaka i-ratio yakhona, i-ratio ya-hydrogen gas i-1 angithi yabo ilo coefficient esukile la eduze kwakhe it's 1 iyona ratio esifakayo kuzoba 1. Then for u-chlorine gas zoba 1 nakhona. Then for HCl kuzoba u2 sesila ngithi. Then nala sifaka ama-initial moles. Lama-initial moles asho ukuthini? Lama-initial moles asuke i-compound ngayinye la isuke inawo lawo ma-moles lawo before the equilibrium is reached. Yabo la sibethi equilibrium is reached la it's 450 degrees Celsius. La basuke ingakaba reach la ngithi ngoba yasho 10 grams of hydrogen and 355 grams of heated together in a sealed container. Yabo so initially container ithi suke ingenalutho kusho ukuthi kusuke kungekho lutho kusuke kuyibona kuqala usuku senama reactant kuphela then i-product isuke ingekho because akukho kusuke kusafomekile ingakho bese container isuke i-sealed la suke be reactela khona khona bona kuphela ingakho sithi ama reactants akhona shothi ama number of moles ama reactant kumele sibe nawo lana basinikezeni ukuze sithole ama initial number of moles hydrogen basinikeza i-mass then siyakhumbula ukuthi angithi sine formula esicalculate ngayo ama number of moles then is equal to a mass over a molar mass of that compound or substance then singayicalculate ama number of moles wala then masubala nawe siwenza ku-calculation yakho ku-test kuveze lokho ukuthi ucalculate kanjani ungafiki wena sowufaka ama-answer because ngenzeka ukuthi abanye ama-marks bangawa-omit ukuthi wena ukubhalanga lokho so uzothi for uhydrogen so uzocalculate ama number of moles initial wafake la then ne-chlorine gas wafake la khona bani HCl angithi sithe i-sealed container shothi akakafumeki lo initially shothi use-0 akakafumeki because le row le is for initial number of moles then sesizothini number of moles of hydrogen gas is equal to mass over molar mass. I-mass i-right i-grams because paper 2 chemistry ikumele ikwe grams is-convex then izoba u10 over bani then i-molar mass hydrogen yabo u-diatomic angithi because shothi ama-atoms hydrogen awu2 then i-molar mass yakhe izoba u2 shothi izoba u1 plus 1 angithi mobheka kuyilo kwi-periodic table i1 then ngoba bawu2 sofaka u1 plus 1 oyolingana nobani no2 then sizoba nobani lana sizoba no5 moles then sizowafaka number of moles ka-hydrogen initial 5 then so uya kuma number of moles of chlorine gas then we indicate ukuthi wabani mass over molar mass i-mass i-right kuma-grams yabo 355 then i-molar mass no-chlorine gas yambona u-diatomic then kukanje then kuzowenza njani-ke i-molar mass yakhe ithini ithi u-35.5 angithi ngoba bawu2-ke kusho ukuthi u-35.5 bawu2 kusho ukuthi uzothi 35.5 plus 35.5 then kusho ukuthi 35.5 times 2 mothanda ukuyibhala ngendlela elokhu njani ekanje ungayibhala kanje or uwa-add then kusho ukuthi 35.5 about 2 ingakho ngiyi-multiply ngo-2 then kuba kanje then sesozophanje i-calculator yakho ukuthi ama number of moles wakho wathole 355 over 35.5 multiply by 2 then sithola nakhona still sithola 5 moles then kusho ukuthi ayalingana ama number of moles alo then uthi 5 moles la sinobani ngeke si-indicate ama-units because now la ngithi then la HCl this is initial part akakavumeki uyevela ngithi shuthi sino 0 moles wakhe yabo awekho vele then kwasekuthiwani la then okunye heated together this is the volume i-volume yethu ikumabani ikuma-cubic centimeters then kumele siyi-convert ibe kuma-cubic decimeters or liters because ama-liters are same as cubic decimeters then sisebenza ngayo ikuma-cubic decimeters kuba kanjalo because yabona kwenzakaleni u-cubic decimeters consideration yethu then siwenza kanjalo then mase i-converter lwa 500 cubic centimeters because siya kwi-unit enkulu oku-decimeters, then senza into le ozothi wena ngathi i-wrong, futhi soyenze njani, so divide kunokuthi si-multiply. Ihlezi ihamba kanjalo into yoku-convert. Yeah, shuthi kuzoba u-500 cubic centimeters decimeters divided by 1000. Then lokho kuzosinikeza bani, uzolokhu njalo ungaphantsi calculator, then kuzokunikeza 0.5 or uvele uthi lo uyakhansela nalo, then shuthi kuzoba 5 divided by 10, 0.5. This is the volume. Then i-volume esuke sinayo abasuke bereactela kuyo lo nalo uze bareche equilibrium. So up to the point abasa-react i-reaction seyimile, seyi-constant. Yeah, then okumele kufomeke sekufomekile. Then base bethi the Kc for this reaction is 450 degrees Celsius. Then yabo kuseyi-temperature eyodwa nala kuseyodwa. Base bethi i-Kc value iwu-64. Ingani nginama-units? It's because kukanje angithi asiye kwe-formula for i-formula yani, then this is the formula for i-formula Kc iwu-64. Okay, siyakuzwa lokho esibiye la ku-table. Then la ku-change si-lo sibheka angithi la lo nalo ukuze bafomele ukungapha kumele ba-react, shuthi bona i-amount yabo iyancipha angithi yabo, ugcina ungasenabo ngenxa yokuthi bazofoma lo, yabo bayafuka, then ba-decrease in amount, shuthi bona bazodecrease lo as the time goes on. Uzombona esemningi ukhandwa yilaba ngithi boba yi-2, bona semningi ivele yakhe seyikhona la, yala izoncipha mhlawumbe uzoba 3, 2, 1, yabo kuzoba kanjalo. La uzoba no 1, 2, 7, yabo into enjalo. Masibuya-ke kuyilokhu njani because silandela izinto abasinikeza zona. Kc is 64. Then ithi i-formula ya Kc ithi Kc equal to a concentration of the product, then divided by the concentration of the reactant. Yiphi concentration ama-product wethu iyodwa ile chlorine gas. Then shuthi concentration lama square bracket achaza concentration ngokwale topic. Then sibe senza njani? I-coefficient ka-HCl uyenza ibe exponent, yabo kalula kanjalo. Then divided by concentration of reactant. I-reactant yethu ubani? H2. Then ilo i-coefficient yakhe ubani? 1. So yenza exponent, then aku-affect lutho. Then uma singamfakanga 1 no-chlorine gas kanjalo naye umenze kanje. Then sozothola imako nalokuthi uyakwazi lokhu ukurepresenta as ilokhu njani, as ine-formula kanje. Then bathe Kc is 64, shuthi la ku-Kc sino 64 is equal to kanje. Then into abasuke sibeyisho ukuthi iwona Kc wethu lo, then yeah kukanje. This is the concentration of HCl, then i-concentration yama-reactant kukanje. Sinalaba initial, then yeah iloku kushilo the chemical equilibrium rate balance equation for ikanje. Bese bethi ile Kc, then equation ithini? Khanisiza question bathi calculate the mass of chlorine gas present at equilibrium, then ku-9 marks. Then i-mass kabani ka-chlorine gas present at equilibrium, yaba kuyashoda kukho kunye. Then leli point also introduce i-variable x or y, b, z, m, k, kuba kuwena ukuthi ufaka bani. Then ungayifakela u-x, kodwa-ke u-x uyaba-confuse abantu because masufaka u-x uvele uyangathathi sekunzima manje sekuyi-math yabo into kanjalo, kodwa-ke akunankinga somsebenzisa u-x. Then i-mass ka-chlorine gas at equilibrium sifunwa i-mass thina ngithi, but equilibrium imuphi? Yilona equilibrium. This is here equilibrium wethu la, then ikabani efunekayo la chlorine gas, chlorine gas at equilibrium. Shuthi lento abasitshele yona thina siname yona as a variable khona soyithola. Shuthi basifune imass kodwa yini esingayinema lakho because ama-number of mole ayakwazi ukusinikeza imass. Shuthi sinema lo kahle lo u-n simname as u-x at equilibrium. Nemass yakhe izobe seyihlukile, izobe seyiyafukile because se-used up vele at equilibrium. Then i-molar mass izobe seyikhona. Lana sesizonema sithi for chlorine because isidila ngayo senze kube just variable over-x. Yabo lento u-x kanje. Ngeke sikwazi ukuthi sineme la sethi y siba nama-unknown amaningi manje ayi-2. Shuthi sizokwenza njani-ke? Sesirate ngalo x ukuthi lo x uqhamukephi lo x sigcine sino-x phela besino-5. Angithi besino-5 siyazi ukuthi uyaphela lo. Shuthi lo 5 khona esikhiphile sa resulta to i-point sesinobani sesino-x. Shuthi sikhiphe bani? Asiyenze kanje. Angithi sino-5 khona esikhiphile sikwenzeni sikuminusile bekuphela vele minus lo ubox wethu yabo. Kwagcina kunobani? Kwagcina kubani? Kuno-x. Kwagcina kuno-x. Then shuthi lo khishiwo ubani? Mthatha umyise kwa-right. Shuthi izogcina ilingana nobani? No-5 minus x lo mtranspose ngapha. Shuthi la sino-5 minus x. Yabo. Then ama-number of mole I used up lawa for chlorine gas. Then for hydrogen gas mangakanani I used up? Ungayenza ngokwenye indlela ukuthi lawa ama-number of moles okay siyenze kanje. Uzoyenza nge-ratio. I-ratio yabo because i-balanced equation uzowenza ukuthi for lo ukuthi abe used up udinga how many moles alo ukuthi nabe used up uzokwazi ukuproduce lo. Then shuthi ngoba edinga lawa i-ratio ithi 1 for lo nalo angisirate boyi-2 ithi 1:1. Shuthi for lo ukuthi abe used up kuzeke lo nala i-ratio kumele ifane. Shuthi makuzeke u5 mole la nala kumele kuzeke 5 mole khona bezokwazi balance bakwazi ukuproduce lo ngale ingabikho excess. Yabo kube into enjalo. Shuthi i-ratio ithi 1:1. Shuthi ayalingana ama-number of moles reactor yawalo nawalo ingakho sithi 1:1. Kube bengalingani besoma beyi-2 la bese multiply ngo-2 le ama-number of moles lawo. Shuthi lo udinga like 2. Then shuthi soba no-5 minus x nala. Then lona ugcine senibanike. Then okay kukanje. Masiza la okay asiqedeleni la ukuthi sigcine sinobani la 5 minus lo then sagcina sinokunye angithi lo used up. Shuthi le number le used up sowenza njani ukuze sithole le number ama-number of moles asuke ela because so substitute manje lathini ile formula sesibonile ukuthi formula izosinikeza for then kukanje for hydrogen kumele simthole simsubstitute la then yabo kuzoba kanje hydrogen so faka i-concentration yakhe lana sifake ne-concentration ne-chlorine gas. We are dealing about equilibrium because case is only applicable ukuthi umcalculate mase izinto zireach equilibrium then yila sibenzisa lelo khunjane la at this point. Okay so it's about the concentration kodwa la sesizobheka ukuthi kusale ngakanani emva ukuthi lo abe used up shuthi uwafukile kulo 5 shuthi ubani so 5 kulo 5 ikhona okhishiwe keep say minus lo 5 minus x u5 lo number of moles ade lapha khona minus lama moles lawa used up minus u5 minus x sale nobani emva kwalapho 5 minus 5 angithi plus x yabo sisale nobani sisale no x lo u0 futhi sisale no x egcineni lo sisale no x kukanje asekuba kanje then sesizothini then futhi okay nalo angithi lana senze ratio then sizokwenza futhi ratio ukuthi for HCl ukuthi approaches leyana udinga ukuthi abe ngakanani yena because i ratio yala ithini boqhathanisa lo nalo ithi 1 iratio la 1 is to 2 shuthi 1 walo udinga ukuthi approach 2 of this one. Then so wenza njani ke kushuthi amanamba formula lo maye u5 minus x lawa our HCl azoba ubani since equation ebalance singawaqhathanisa shuthi lawa la dingeka ongaki awu2 yabo ithi 1 is to 2 shuthi mase sinokodwa la sinoku2 then shuthi loku multiply by 2 it is 2 multiplied by 5x 5 minus x shuthi kuzobani ibe kanje kuzoba u2 multiplied by 5 minus x okubani oku5 times 2 u10 minus 2x yabo ikanje 10 minus 2x la 10 minus 2x then yabo sesinawo then sekumele sithole maphi at equilibrium ukuthi ugcine sesala nangakhi lo angithi okay lo bena 5 kwaphela lo wafuka kuyi amount engaka amount of mole asala nangaka lo bena lo yabo same thing la benu 0 wagaina lo then at equilibrium i-reaction masiyimile vele uthole lokhu nje then equation yasiphela lo wafikele lo equation yaphela wasala nalo lo bewu0 wathola lokhu yaphela equation still vele ngeke kafuke lutho lokho esele nako lokhu 10 minus 2x usele nale 10 minus 2x then for i-concentration angithi formula khona ithi C is equal to N over V omele concentration is equal to number of mole divided by volume then ulingana nobani uC wethu ulingana no N number of moles at equilibrium not any number of moles la so in some number of moles at equilibrium yabo yalandelana shuthi x umele number of moles then i-volume siyibalile sathi ubani 0.5 nayi la siconvertile 0.5 lana number of mole u-x over volume 0.5 iyafana i-volume basendaweni eyodwa ngithi then lana u10 minus 2x over 0.5 yeah then ke substitute ama concentrations at equilibrium since it's square bracket represent the concentration according to this topic then this is the concentration shuthi ngoba sengifaka laba sengifaka i-concentration HCl at equilibrium ngeke ngisakwazi ukuthi ngifake ama square brackets mangizofaka le number le kumele ngifake ama curly bracket kanje ngobani mase ngithi concentration of concentration yabo sense kumele uyenze sense now shuthi substitute la u10 minus 2x over 0.5 i-concentration HCl at equilibrium then lo ya2 uyabuya lapha substitute i-amount nayi then no2 olapha then for hydrogen nayi x over 0.5 at equilibrium la yakuna exponent then ngapha u-x over 0.5 then emva lana sisolve abanike thina yabo ukuthi sizosolve lo x thina sizosolve x kodwa sidinga ini mass x uyinqama moles shuthi kumele sigcine sesiya kephi formula ezosinikeza i-mass this formula so bese sinayo u-x wa number of moles simfake la sibe nemolar mass vele ikhona ku formula then sisithola ama mass then sekuphelile ngalo 9 marks then sizokwenza ke la ukuthi sifike answering singa cross multiply la sithi 64 because ine equal sign se cross multiply lo sim cross multiply nalo over 1 sim cross multiply nalo 6 multiply by lokhu then okuthi kuzobani x multiply by x qala kokubili because before you multiply lapha soba x squared then bese si multiply ama denominator so thola ulokhu njani khona sithola 0.25 0.5 times 0.5 yabo bakune multiplication as cross multiply you multiply numerator and numerator denominator and denominator kodwa bakune equal sign we cross multiply iphela ikanjalo lento lena then so wenza njani 0.5 times 0.5 0.25 lokhu kumultiply nekodwa nakho kwa multiply nalo cross multiplication is equal to lo uzo cross multiply denominator yalo then a1 should uzobuya enjalo u10 minus 2x over 0.5 all squared. Then so simplify then so 64 lo angithi i-multiplication uyi-numerator denominator ku-1 so 64 multiplied by x squared 64 x squared then 1 multiplied by lo because multiplication 0.25 is equal to bani. Then angithi yabo i-rule le ithini rule mangabe ufake u-squared ithi lo squared uzoba squared uzosquarisha le number with numerator yodwa abuya squarisha ubabili bobabili kumele bamthole u-squared shuthi u10 minus 2x okay noma masithi kanje 10 minus 2x la then sibe nobani no 0.5 because yabo soba side manje step masilogo si expand la ngalo 2 then shuthi lento siyibuyisa kanje. Then into esingayenza manje seyizoba lula kithi just to get rid of labo squared because ba increase ama steps wethu siwenza njani into eyenza leyo nto ukuthi kuphele senze njani we put a square root on both sides of the equation. Then i-square root senza njani siyawa cancel labo 2 lapha. Then futhi square root senza njani makune multiplication si square root ayinamba ngayinye shuthi izoba i-square root sa64 sibe i-square root sa x squared square root sa 0.5 then square root sa 64 u8 then square root sa x kuzoba u-x because u2 yakhanseleka lapha then yabo kuzosala u-x kuphela. Then mase square root sabani sa 0.25 then shuthi izoba bani u0.5 is equal to lana ngithi i-square root lesi inamba yonke le phakathi ngesikwazi ukuthi sidlebeleke sonke nalapha phakathi kumele siqale la ngaphansi then vele sothi siyaqala ngaphandle sivele sikhansele lo kuphele ngaso amandla saphele singabe sisafika la kushuthi so cancel lo squared kuphele kanjalo yako kanjalo because this is a term is inamba yodwa in like u9 squared because lokhu kugcina ku9 because kuno x way variable kugcina ku9 squared uzokhansela lokho njani square root then sele nobani no 10 minus 2x over 0.5 kukanje. Then sewungenza okwenzayo then yabo because uvumelekile u0.5 and 0.5 ungamultiply ngo0.5 ma equation ema side way 2 because 0.5 akanawo x ma multiply if bhek no x la if bona bozu multiply ngo0.5 times x bozofana ukuthi hayi soyayimi minus solution khona isolution soyikeep because zobe sekhanseleka lo x akufuneki umultiply ngento ene variable oyifunayo should so multiply ngayo 0.5 because akuyena esimfunayo. Then mas multiply ngo0.5 la then multiply by 0.5 why is not dividing ngayo simultiply la ngayo ukuthi akwazi ukukhansela lo numerator and denominator numerator and denominator then should sisele nobani nalokhu is equal to lokhu then sisala no 8x transpose lona ke kubo plus 2x lingana no 10 then la sino 10 then u10x is equal to 10 then x wethu uthi 1 this is 1 mole of chlorine gas kanje ama 1 mole then sikanisiza kwilo kwi-mass yakhona ke thina sizofuna i-mass labayifunayo at equilibrium number of moles is equal to mass over molar mass then number of moles is equal to 1 then i-mass ilena sidingayo then of chlorine gas over i-molar mass yakhe ubani 35.5 times 2 then i-mass ibe seyithi 35.5 times 2 then so uyayenza calculator yakho ikhiphela u71 mele yenze sense kumele ube ncane phela ngese equilibrium 71 grams of HCl then i-mass yakhe u71 initial beyiwu 355 okay kufair ukuthi bencane ngenza ukuthi si correct then sesiyandlula kule equation le siza kule kule question. The question ithi the reaction is now carried out at a lower temperature. Okay, lama question 6.2 and 6.3 ngizowenza enye i-video then ingeze kuba into kakhulu kodwa izoqhubeka kuyo le then yeah lena singiyivala i-video then if you enjoyile le lesson ungayisupporta ngokuthi usubscribe so that abantu abaningi bezokwazi ukuthi bayibone then basizakale